guys, welcome back to video on Pac-Man, and today we're unboxing the Vteck Landline phone. I have been wanting this for like so long. I have to go get a butter knife, but yeah, I have been wanting this for so long. I'm into old tech right now. I'm getting a Windows 95 copy, and it's never been opened. And now I got this phone, which it came out, you know, old, or they're old. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it. So first we have to go ahead and get the seal, which I'm going to try to get, but I don't know if I can, because it's, hold on. And reasons why I use butter knives is because at any moment it could literally just come flying out of nowhere. First of all, butter knives are not as sharp. Second of all, they're more safer than regular knives. I'm not even joking. Really. If you have a kid, get butter knives. Right, so first we have the, I think these are the instructions, and then we have the little phone thing. A phone. Hello, yes. And then we have, hold on, we have the phone piece thing, and then we also have at the bottom the cords. Let's go ahead and get this out. It's pretty big than I thought. Okay, so these are the buttons. These are if you like saved any of your contacts. This is, I don't know what the letter means. That's delete, menu select, up, down, and cancel. And then obviously you have the pad. You have redial, pause, flash, volume up, volume down, speaker, and mute. And then on the side you have, I think it's, I don't know. And then you can use batteries on here. It takes a lot of batteries, so I think it takes like 4 batteries. That's not a lot. And then this is the phone cable, so I gotta find it. I gotta find it. It should be. So first we're gonna go ahead and plug the phone cable in to here. Hold on, I gotta find the. So once you plug it into here, we gotta find where this one goes. Oh, there's also a little cover. ASMR. Oh, cover there. Oh, there has to be, maybe there should be 2. Alright, I see it. It's on the side. So then we could go ahead and plug it in on this side. So now the phone thing is connected. I don't know where my batteries are. I'm gonna go get some. Well, not go to the store, but just take some for my Xbox. Wait, where is it? Take some from my Xbox controller and from somewhere else because I want batteries. Or I want to power this thing up. That, I don't think the batteries we have will keep it on, so we're just gonna probably plug it in. But still. And then maybe there's a battery in here, or batteries in here. There's 2, yes. Just the right amount we need. So now that we have 4 batteries, we can go ahead and go on, and we're not gonna be able to call anybody yet, because of course it's not plugged in, but we can. And it probably won't turn on because these batteries, I don't know if they're the proper batteries or not. But I don't know. So, oops. First battery. No, don't roll. Ah. It actually worked. But there's no line. And use no line. So the batteries do actually work it. I'm gonna go see, guys. You're gonna come with me, and my mom's gonna also help. So yeah, I have to undo this cable, which is pretty. What? I don't know what she's doing. I'm gonna go undo this cable, which hopefully you can fit the phone somewhere not in front of the TV, because that's where internet is. So you guys are coming with me. Oh, she's printing something. Okay. So right now we are in front of my TV. I am so sorry. We're in front of my TV right now. My internet connection is to the... Hold on. Okay, never mind that. This is the phone. I know, I'm sorry. So I'm just... Gulp. I'm gonna move you right here so you can see the phone, or at least see it. That's the phone right there. So we're gonna go ahead and get the cable right here. We're gonna plug. Ooh.
Phoenix, did you undo the internet?
No.
You didn't touch it?
No.
Okay, well I saw on the app they said they were in an outage. I'm not touching it, Mom.
Okay, so now, yeah, and I didn't unplug the internet.
Don't touch the internet. Do anything with the internet.
I'm not. I'm plugging it in. Wait, hold on. All right, it's down here at the modem. I forgot. Wait. Maybe. Mom, which one would it plug into? That's Ethernet, so maybe it plugs into the Wii. Mom, I need your help. Yeah, my mom's gonna help.
Hang on.
Okay. Hello. Yes. Bye. Bye.
Phoenix, will you close the garage door, please?
Okay, guys. I'll be back.
Paper, but it's not. Like, it is full of paper. What? Yep.
It's not gonna call.
There it goes. Maybe it was just too full.
Can you come help me now?
Maybe there's such a thing as too full. No, we're waiting until Yanni's done. She just asked us to wait till she was done.
Well, guys, we have to wait. So, funny phones. Hello? Yes? Okay. Okay, well, I'd like to speak to the manager because I don't like this review. Ugh. Hello? Yes, bye. How to work a landline phone, actually. First, you pick up the phone and it has that sound. You type your number that you want to call, and then it automatically calls it. But mine won't call because it's not connected right now. And I have to wait. There's also a delete button, which if you type a number, you can delete it if you type the wrong number. So yeah, it's a cool feature. And I may even call my friend. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so yeah, that is the phone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you next time.